If you receive this message on Roblox which says you were banned from this experience by the creator, here is the message from the creator with an error code 600. So I will guide you on how to fix this issue. So on June 28, Roblox introduced the ban API and alternative account detection. So with this method, they were able to ban many accounts. So without any reason, they just ban a lot of accounts. So I will guide you on how to fix this problem. So to fix this problem, you need to submit an appeal and explain that the creator of this experience banned me for no reason. Please moderate this experience. And along when submitting your appeal, make sure you provide with your account username and a brief statement regarding the reason for your appeal. And the reason for your appeal is the creator of this experience banned you for no reason. So you can submit your appeal through the contact page, which is roblox.com/support. And as it has been written here, appeal your content or account moderation. You can contact Roblox appeal. You can contact the Roblox appeal team to review the situation if your content or account has been banned or moderated, or any of your content has been blocked or deleted. The appeals team will give the moderation a second look and make any necessary adjustments to your asset or account's moderation status. Submitting an appeal does not guarantee the consequence will be removed. So this is how to submit your appeal, which is through www.roblox.com/support, and I'll also leave the link in the description for this appeal page for Roblox. So make sure you submit an appeal and explain to them that the creator of this experience banned you for no reason. Please moderate the experience, and they will look into your account and they can unban you. Without doing so, there is no any other way to bypass this ban. You just need to follow the process and submit an appeal. You can try maybe to trick them using the VPN, but the VPN cannot work since what is banned is your account and not your IP address. So make sure to follow the steps very carefully. Submit an appeal and let me know in the comment section if maybe you have done so but you're still banned. Maybe you need to wait for a few days, or they say that it's few days and they will be able to reach out to you. So make sure you submit an appeal and follow the process as I have explained it here.